I will show you guys how you can change shipping address in your AliExpress account just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial. So let's get started. So all you have to do to change your shipping address, you just need to open your AliExpress account like this. Go to your AliExpress homepage and click over here and scroll down. Click on setting and here you go. You will be directly in this page. You should see here accounts, overview, orders, payments. Scroll down and you should see payments, shipping address. Okay, so click on shipping address like this and here you go. All you have to do next, so you just need to put your shipping address information here. So choose your country, your information, your contract name, your address, and your city, your zip code, and your phone number. Okay, after you finish, click on confirm and that's it. That's how you can change shipping address in your AliExpress account. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.